That's in the way. Wow, it's been so long since I've actually made a video where I talk. I guess just like an update video while also getting ready with me. I'm getting ready to go out with my friend later today. General updates. My apartment's been falling apart. One thing at a time. And my air conditioning's broken, so they came and brought in a portable air conditioner. There he is. Portable and conditioning the air. He's loud and unnecessary, and I didn't ask for this. I just wanted them to fix my air conditioning. Sounds gonna be bad in here, but it's the bathroom. What can you do? First things first. I'm gonna pluck my eyebrows real quick. Keep your normal hair out of your face hair when plucking your face hair. Anyway, so I got a tattoo. It's of my two cats, Dexter and Blossom. It's a decent enough tattoo. It healed pretty okay. It's my first color tattoo, so that's new. So I got a new phone, yes, 2 days ago. I got a job officially. That's cool. It's just a fancy taco place, you know. I think I'm gonna put on some contacts. I got blue and green and aqua gold and gray. Let me put on my outfit first and see what matches better. So I'm just wearing this jumpsuit today that I found at Ross. I'm gonna try the grays and the greens on and see which one I like better. Oh, there we go. Let me try on the blue ones. Or the green? Green. I know my colors. Yeah, I think the green is a bit much for this outfit. I think I'll just go with the gray. Finally, 20 minutes later. Now that we're out of those ugly bathroom lights, you can really see the gray. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go with a basic makeup. First, brows. Since I have so many colors going on, I'll just go with a neutral look. So I'm dipping into a little bit of burnt orange from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm just applying that as a base. I'll take a little bit of sienna from that same palette, tap some excess off, and then just lightly go around my crease. For the red element, we'll dip into a little bit of Vienna red and Love Letter in the Modern Renaissance palette. And then just take that on the corners and just lightly buff it. Just very lightly. Then we'll go ahead with the eyeliner. I think I'll just go with my tried and true Oh Baby. I have the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in Blue Raspberry Sucker. No one's lying when I say it smells and tastes delicious. I'll take this little tiny inner corner brush that I have right here. Ooh, taking the Soft Glam palette and just dip a little bit into glistening. Dip into glistening and just pat that on my inner corner. these chunky white sandals. I think they're pretty cute. They add pretty well to the outfit. Maybe this bright yellow or a splash of color. I got this bag from Zara. Got these sunglasses on eBay. And they inside tricks. Super cute. I loved it. Wore them in my video called playing dress up because I'm an adult. I got this little moon choker. I want to say 3 years ago. I got it from my sister because when we lived together, when I still lived at the house, she would leave all of her jewelry in the bathroom, so I would just, you know, steal it because that's what older sisters do. That just about does it. Maybe some hoop earrings. Okay, bye.